Hey there everybody, this is Joey, and today I'm testing my Canon T5i's internal sound recording capabilities. And as you can probably hear, it sounds really bad. There's an underlying hiss to it. Just listen. Now this is something that Canon cameras, the DSLRs especially, are notorious of. They have a preamp built inside that just gives off this hiss sound. So a lot of people won't tell you that when you're buying a Canon camera, especially for vlogging or YouTube, the audio is not great. So they recommend you buy a Rode video mic and that you buy a Zoom, like an external video recorder for the audio. But a lot of us don't have that kind of money. So I'm going to test ways to fix this audio so there's less of a hiss. So the way I'm going to do that is in the manual settings of the Canon camera, there's audio settings, and I'm going to set those all the way down to about let's go 4 clicks above 0, shall we? Okay, now I put the audio on manual control, and I put the levels all the way down to about plus 4 clicks above 0. If you go into your settings, that will all make sense. Now, the hiss is probably gone, but this is probably really quiet. So let's try something different. Now I've added an external microphone, the Takstar 698, I believe it is, to this Canon, and the manual levels are still at plus about 4 clicks above 0. And hopefully you can hear that it's a much cleaner sound. Hopefully there's no real discernible hiss in there. It still might be there just a little bit, but hopefully this is a much cleaner sound than previously. I'm going to try one more thing to just see how the audio is different. Let me do that real quick. So now I'm just going to add this little mini amplifier to see if it boosts the audio just up a little bit further, and you can find these on Amazon. I guess I'll link to this. This is the Indigo headphone amplifier. Okay, now I still have my external microphone attached to my Canon, which is up plus 20 dB on the microphone setting, and I have my little headphone amplifier cranked all the way up. So let's see, or let's hear if there's a hiss. Okay, so hopefully this audio is much better, and the conclusion is that if you're going to buy a Canon camera for YouTube or vlogging or making cinematic video, and you can't afford, high quality sound equipment, and you just want to get the best sound you can from the camera, if you're using a Canon, you're going to have to turn your manual audio settings pretty much all the way down and use a microphone, an external microphone that adds 20 decibels to the levels. And you can use a headphone amplifier as well, and hopefully that will boost the sound quality. So I'm going to link to everything I've used here in the description. If this has helped you out, please comment or give a like, and please subscribe, because I'm going to do all sorts of testing, and I'm going to try to give you my honest opinion of the best ways to do things on a budget, because I don't have a lot of money and you might not as well, or you might be rich. I don't know. See you guys next time.